In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a checkbox to a DocuSign document step by step. Whether you're creating contracts, agreements, application forms, or internal approval documents, adding a checkbox allows recipients to confirm options, accept terms, or select preferences directly inside your document. I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating a template to placing the checkbox and saving everything properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the Templates section. Templates are useful because they allow you to reuse documents with predefined fields, including checkboxes, without rebuilding everything from scratch each time. Next, click on Create Template. This will allow you to build a new reusable document where you can add your checkbox field. After clicking Create Template, you'll be prompted to enter a template name. Type in a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, you might name it Client Agreement with Checkbox or Approval Form Template. Once you've entered the name, click on Upload to add your document. You can upload a file from your computer, such as a Word document or PDF. When the upload window appears, choose Desktop or the location where your document is saved, then select the file and confirm the upload. After your document is uploaded, you'll need to fill in the recipient details. This means adding the roles for the people who will be signing or completing the form. For example, you might add a role called Client, Employee, or Manager, depending on your document type. Make sure each role is properly defined because the checkbox field will be assigned to one of these recipients. Once the roles are set up, click on Next, Add Fields. This takes you to the document editor, where you can insert interactive elements like signature fields, date fields, text boxes, and of course checkboxes. Now here's the key step. On the left-hand side panel, you'll see different field options. Locate the checkbox field. Click on it, then drag and drop it onto the area of the document where you want it to appear. For example, you might place it next to a sentence that says, "I agree to the terms and conditions," or beside multiple choice options, where the signer needs to select one or more answers. After placing the checkbox, click on it to adjust its properties. You can assign it to a specific recipient role, mark it as required if the signer must check it before completing the document, and adjust the label if needed. If you're creating multiple related checkboxes, you can also configure them as a group to control how selections work. Take a moment to review the placement and make sure everything is aligned correctly. Proper positioning ensures your document looks professional and is easy for recipients to understand. Once you're satisfied, click Save to store your template. Your document now includes a fully functional checkbox field that recipients can interact with when the document is sent. And that's it. You've successfully added a checkbox to a DocuSign document using a template. Now, whenever you use this template, the checkbox will already be in place, saving you time and keeping your forms consistent. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more DocuSign tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.